Hey everyone, it's again 16 Daniel from NX Game Tech. This is my first unboxing video and first impressions, of course. And it's going to be my next phone, the Realme 6 Pro. It's a pretty nice phone as far as I've heard, that's why I kind of bought it. And I think it looks nice. The total full review video will come in about a week or so, and let's just break into it, right? I'm kind of anxious. It's been here for hours, and so I've got a matching yellow knife. Yeah, it's pretty much nice. See the deal? It's nice. It's nice. So let's just cut in, right? Oh, before I just cut in, you should see this. The specifications, it's a 60. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. It's a 64 megapixel quad camera with a 20x hybrid zoom and in-display dual selfie. It's pretty much common nowadays. A Snapdragon 720G processor, and it has a 4300 milliamp battery with a 30-watt flash charge. About the Snapdragon 720, there's something I wanted to tell, because I first thought Snapdragon 730G was better, but it was 1.5 years old. I still don't get why Snapdragon named it that way. Yeah, let's hope it's something good. So let's just break in, right? This is break in. It's nice and slow. Okay. I'm sweating. I'm sweating when I'm cutting this. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not that. Okay. It may be just because it's my first unboxing video here. Come on, let's just get in. Finish. Okay, finish that, and that's it. Off you go. And the rest, that's done with that. Plastic, not environment friendly. So let's here we go. Oh, come on. Okay, here we are. That's it. Okay, they have provided us with a case. It's a plastic case with some paperwork, of course. Paperwork. A lot of paperwork. It's a pretty flexible case. I don't mind, but it's fine. I hope it does the job. Probably get another case, maybe. Probably get another case. So let's just get the paperwork out of the way. Okay, and there you go too. And the crown jewel, the phone itself. And okay, come on. Okay. Let's just keep this away for a second. As eager as I am to just get in, just keep it away for a second. What else do we get? We get the 30-watt book charger. It's not written book anywhere anymore. They used to write book, but the power brick, 30-watt. And yeah, I'll just get the volt info. Nah. And the USB is a C-type. Yes, it's a It's C-type. It's a C-type. So yeah, that means I'll not be able to use OTG anymore. That's gone. And we have the usual. It comes with every phone nowadays. Come on, get out. The SIM ejector tool. It comes pretty handy, because if you have one, you can access multiple phones, because I really need it. Because I'll probably lose this within a day or two. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. That's in the box. And yeah, and the box is out of the way. And now let's get to the phone. I'm looking there. My camera is here. Okay, I'm looking at the display. I'm sorry for that. So here is the phone. Let's just break it nice and slow. Okay, nice and slow. Come on. Slowly slide it out. Okay, I'm going to show you sliding it out. Yeah. Okay. peel this off. I'm gonna use this. I don't want to smudge it so fast. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, get up. Okay. She ain't planning on getting off. So I'll just use my hand. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god. It's lightning. It's lightning. Okay, and we have the dual selfie cameras over here. I hope you can see that. The quad core setup. The quad cam setup. With the 64 megapixel main camera, macro lens, and 2 different cameras. I'll be explaining that in the full review video. I was just so excited to get into it, that's why I just made it off. And the volume rockers, quite small. The volume rockers. Can you see that? Yeah, and the SIM location. And what do we have on the top? Not very much. Oh, on the bottom we have the speaker grill, the USB-C type, and yes, we have an audio jack. The audio jack is pretty important for me. I need the audio jack, and the power button with the inbuilt fingerprint. It's pretty fast. That's what I've heard. So power it up. Yeah, power it up. Okay, powering it up. Oh, that's a nice vibration. Oh my god, that's so soft. I'll just put the case in and just, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Okay, get the case in. Oh, okay, in there. Okay, you too, get it. Okay, Realme. Everything is in, and locked. Yeah, I'm too sweaty. Isn't this good looking? So I've been using the phone for 2 days, and about the power button and the inbuilt fingerprint sensor on the power button, it's pretty fast. I just wanted you guys to see this is so fast. Here we go. See that? Yeah, they claim it to be 0.3 seconds, and yeah, it's nice actually. And about the cameras, they did shoot pretty good pics, and the 64 megapixel one is pretty good. I just loved it. And yeah, it's a nice phone. It's I don't know. Many of the other reviewers were calling it like the iPhone competitors or OnePlus competitors, something like that. The phone is pretty nice. It's I think it's starting at 7,999 INR, which, let me just take the calculator and check. 17,999. I think the conversion rate is about 75. So yeah, about $240. I think it's about $240. So it's a pretty nice phone for the price range and pretty awesome features. Yeah, so I'll be coming back soon with the full review video of the phone, and I hope you guys love it. See you in the next one.